Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Doggie Pool Ramp is probably one of the most essential accessories for any dog who loves to swim. Whether your furry friend is a seasoned swimmer or just learning the ropes, a pool ramp provides a safe and easy way for them to enter and exit the water. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of dog pool ramps, exploring their benefits, and helping you choose the perfect one for your canine companion. Number 5. Woohoo Dog Ramp, adjustable, non-slip, for couch and bed. Tired of ramps with slippery carpet? This one features a high-traction rubber surface with added ridges. It provides superior grip for your pet, ensuring their safety and confidence while they move about. Made from solid wood, this ramp is built to last. It's designed to protect your dog's joints, allowing them to reach higher places with less strain. This ramp is a great choice for pets of all ages. With 6 adjustable height settings, this ramp can adapt to various needs. It provides a gentle incline, perfect for SUVs, beds, and couches. It's easy to find the perfect fit for your home. Need to move it around? This ramp easily folds flat and has a handle. It's convenient to store and carry, making it perfect for travel or everyday use. No assembly required. This ramp comes ready to use right out of the box. Simply unbox it, and it's ready to help your furry friend. What we like? This ramp's innovative rubbery surface provides superior traction, ensuring your pet's safety. It's made from sustainable wood, offering durability and joint protection. If you are looking for a ramp that is easy to store and carry, you should consider this one. What people say? The ramp is very sturdy and well built. It is easy to assemble and install. The ramp works great for my dogs to get in and out of the pool. Number 4. PetStep Pool Ramp for Dogs. Introducing the PetStep Pool Ramp, designed to give your dogs easy access to your pool. This ramp makes it simple for them to get in and out of the water whenever they want. The PetStep ramp is made of composite plastic and fiberglass, so it's built to last. It's durable in both wet and dry conditions, ensuring it can withstand the elements. The ramp features a non-slip, rubberized surface that's gentle on your pet's paws. This provides excellent traction, even when submerged, keeping them safe. The pool legs are made of aircraft-grade aluminum and have rubber feet to protect your pool. The legs attach to the ramp to create a stable and secure pool ramp. This ramp is designed to fit all above-ground or in-ground pool edges. Its universal non-slip grip ensures it will work with your pool, providing a safe and easy way for your dog to enjoy the water. What we like? This ramp is constructed from durable composite material, perfect for wet and dry conditions. The non-slip surface provides excellent traction, even when submerged. If you have a pool and want your dog to enjoy it, you should consider this one. What people say? The ramp is easy to assemble. It works great for my dogs to get in and out of the pool. The ramp is sturdy and well made. Number 3. 2025 FlexRamp Dog Water Ramp. This is the latest model of the dog water ramp. It's designed to help your dog easily climb out of the water, whether from a boat, dock, or pool. The ramp uses drop-stitch technology for a rigid and safe flotation. The incline is designed to be easy for all dogs to climb, with paw grips for extra assistance. This ramp is ideal for various water environments. It inflates quickly with the included pump and comes with a handy carry bag for easy transport. It features stainless steel D-rings for secure attachment. The ramp includes everything you need, such as the ramp itself, a carry bag, a pump, ropes, and a patch kit. We stand behind this product with a 2-year warranty and USA-based customer service. We continuously improve the design to ensure its durability and quality. What we like? This ramp is inflatable and portable, making it easy to bring along on any water adventure. The easy climb incline makes it accessible for all dogs. If you like boating or spending time at the lake, you should consider this one. What people say? The ramp is easy to assemble and install. It allows my dog to get in and out of the pool safely. The ramp is sturdy and well made. Number 2. Inflatable Dog Ramp with 5M Safety Rope. This inflatable dog ramp features a strong 5-meter-long rope, ensuring easy access for pets. It's perfect for dogs to board quickly or as a safety assist during boat rides. The rope helps both pets and owners get out of the water with ease. Measuring 59 by 39.4 by 5.9 inches, this oversized ramp can support up to 240 pounds. It's perfect for larger dogs or multiple pets. This allows the ramp to comfortably accommodate both pets and their owners. This ramp isn't just for pools, it also works as a floating dock platform. Use it in lakes, rivers, and oceans to help pets enter and exit the water safely. Whether at the pool, beach, or lake, it ensures your dog's easy water access. Designed with a high-quality EVA anti-slip mat, this ramp provides excellent traction. It prevents slips while climbing. The anti-slip surface is ideal for pets, ensuring worry-free water fun for both you and your dog. This ramp is built with a heavy-duty trampoline-style net for long-term durability. Unlike cheaper models, this high-quality net ensures long-term use without damage. It offers a durable, tear-resistant surface for pets and people. The bright yellow and blue colors make this ramp easy for pets to spot. It weighs just 13.6 pounds and inflates in 5 minutes. When not in use, it folds neatly into a compact size for easy storage. It can be tied to the shore or pool as a climbing ladder. It can be used as a floating board in the water. It can also be tied to a boat or deck. In special circumstances, it can even be used as a life board. What we like? This ramp features an extra-large size and can support up to 240 pounds. The anti-slip mat ensures your dog's safety while climbing. If you have a larger dog or multiple pets, you should consider this one. What people say. The ramp inflated super fast using my SUP inflator. The material is the same durable stuff as my paddleboard, and it felt solid right away. The large size, about 5 by 3 feet, easily supports dogs up to 240 pounds, and the sturdy build feels safe and durable. The heavy-duty trampoline-style net and EVA non-slip mat give great traction, even for excited paws splashing around. Number 1. YITAHOME Dog Water Ramp. This is the YITAHOME Dog Water Ramp, designed to make water fun safer for your dog. It provides a secure and stable platform for your pet to enter and exit the water with ease. The ramp step design and weighted mesh fabric ensure the ramp sinks slightly into the water. This makes it easy and safe for dogs to use, especially those under 66 pounds, giving them a more comfortable space. Built with high-quality, thickened PVC material, this ramp is durable and resistant to tears and scratches. Non-slip pads provide a secure surface, allowing your pet to rest comfortably without slipping. The included manual hand pump makes setup easy, no electricity needed. When deflated, it folds compactly and fits into the included bag, perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. With 2 built-in D-rings, this ramp can be securely attached to boats, docks, lakes, and pools. This ensures your pet's safety in various water environments, making it ideal for all sorts of water activities. What we like? This ramp features a ramp step design and weighted mesh fabric. It's constructed from durable PVC material, ensuring long-term use. If you are looking for a ramp that is easy to set up and take with you, you should consider this one. What people say. The ramp is easy to assemble and install. It allows my dog to get in and out of the pool easily. The ramp is sturdy and well-made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.